My name is Suzanne Frank. I'm from Chicago and I'm an auditor in Diane Seuss's wonderful, wonderful workshop. And the name of my poem is Her Lover Forgot. Her lover forgot the gleam of her white panties the first time she undressed for him. How the sun through the window haloed her hair. He forgot the fragrance of her shampoo, the color of her eyes, temperature of her skin. He forgot her skin. He forgot trips, river crossings, the bear that ate their food, the hunger. Forgot the blue convertible, Seeger, blasting on the two-track. Smoke-hazed parties, the hard smack of arguments, the 1,000 nights sleeping, the million touches. It's gone, wiped clean, like a cleared table. And he forgot the Grand Canyon. He even forgot that.